If you've ever wanted to use the Insert key to paste in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Insert key for paste in Word in just a few clicks. This is a simple setting, but it can save time if you're used to keyboard shortcuts and want a faster way to paste content while working. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and productivity guides. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. It can be any document, whether it's a blank page or a file you're already working on. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main Word menu where you can access your program settings. From the File menu, scroll down and click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where all the advanced settings are stored. You may see different categories on the left side, and the one you need here is Advanced. Click Advanced to open the detailed configuration options. Now scroll through the advanced settings until you find the section called Cut, Copy, and Paste. This section controls how Word handles clipboard and paste behavior. It's also where the setting for the Insert key is located. In this section, look for the checkbox that says Use the Insert key for paste. When this option is enabled, Word allows you to use the Insert key on your keyboard as a paste shortcut. If the box is not checked, click it once to turn it on. Once the checkbox is selected, the feature is enabled. After that, don't forget to save your change. Click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to apply the setting and close the menu. That's it. The Insert key is now enabled for paste in Word. To test it, go back to your document, copy some text from anywhere on your computer, and then press the Insert key on your keyboard. If everything is set correctly, Word should paste the copied content into your document. If you don't see the result right away, make sure your keyboard has a working Insert key and that you clicked OK after changing the setting. Sometimes a simple restart of Word can also help if the change doesn't seem to take effect immediately. And that's how to enable the Insert key for paste in Word. It's quick, easy, and perfect for anyone who prefers keyboard-based editing. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Word tutorials, office tips, and computer how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.